Dry underfloor heating installation. Tiling. Earthmother materials and tools. Decoupling mat preparation. Pre-cut the decoupling mat after the pressure test. Check the mat size, label each piece, and roll it up. Joint filling and scratch coat. Use C2 ES1 tile adhesive. Mix it to a thick slurry following the recommended mixing ratio. Fill all pipe grooves and irregular corner joints completely with adhesive first. Comb the adhesive with a 4 mm square notch or 6.5 mm V-notch trowel. Decoupling mat installation. Unroll the mat and press it firmly, using a wooden float to smooth it out. Lift the corner to ensure 100% adhesive coverage. Tiling and curing. Fill the mat cavities with tile adhesive. Install the tiles following standard procedures. Keep the manifold closed for 14 days. Do not turn on the heating. Allow natural curing to prevent rapid water loss, which can cause hollows or cracking.